Kerala Chief Minister spoke some words of confidence on Tuesday, the day of single-phase assembly election in the state. He said that although there were many attempts to mislead the people, they have not taken that at face value. As seen in the local body polls, the people will reject all allegations against the LDF government. The people of Kerala have rallied behind the government for whatever activities it has carried out in Kerala since 2016. The people will award a historic victory to the LDF, he said. The BJP's account in Nemam will be closed. Don't know whether the UDF has made ties anywhere to do cross-voting. The BJP will not win in Malambura, he said. The Chief Minister's office has not courted any controversy in this election. I have full confidence in the people. Dharmadam is the place where I was born and brought up. This is not a place where someone can come and think that they can create a special scene here. Ayyappan, all the deities and the idols of the state are with this government. This is because it was this government that protected the people. All the deities are with those who protect the people, opined Pinarayi Vijayan. Meanwhile, opposition leader Ramesh Chennithila has said that Kerala will give a befitting reply to autocracy, pride and arrogance of the government. He also said that issues including Sabarimala will be discussed in the polls and people's response to anti-people measures, graft and nepotism will reflect in the polling percentage. People has realized that allegations raised by the opposition are true, Chennithila said. A pro-UDF wave is lashing across the state. LDF will be swept away in that wave. BJP men won't have even their address after the polls, he added. When asked about the Chief Minister's statement issued in the early morning, he said, the atheistic Chief Minister is now seeking Ayyappa's blessings. This government, which has received the curse of Ayyappa, will also suffer from the wrath of the people in this election, he said. News Desk, Kaumudy English.